put a fire pit in?
Yeah!
In today's video, I'm going to share with you a fantastic project that you can do with your kids or your family that'll really give you a great result, and that's to build your own fire pit. This one will cost you absolutely nothing except a little bit of time, but the technique to build it yields a great result. So keep watching and I'll show you how.
So this is where we're going to put our fire pit today.
So it's going to be 2 holes. So we're going to dig one hole where the fire is going to go, and then we're going to dig another hole that's going to feed air. Nope, you'll see.
That's right, this fire pit is going to use 2 holes, but they're easy to dig and the result is worth it. One of the holes will be for the fire itself, and the other one will be for an air feed chamber that'll supply the fire with oxygen.
Dirt in my shoe. Let me take it out.
Alright, look out. I'm going to dig this out a little bit.
What are you doing?
But it's deep. Don't do too much, you won't go lift it.
Yeah.
There's a lot of sand and dirt in it.
I know.
Now you can dig the main hole any size you want, but the depth should be about 1.5 to 2 feet.
Want me to do some more big scoops?
No.
I'm going to make it a little bit deeper.
I know. I'm trying to get some of this.
And flatten the dirt all out and compress it down, okay? You can do the same.
What are you doing? Come on in. It's fun. Jump down.
Just don't step on each other's feet, okay?
Come on. Merry Merry Christmas.
Now this is the most important part of this fire pit installation. You've got to have this second hole. Now the second hole only needs to be small. It can be just the size of the shovel, which is essentially what I'm doing here, but it needs to be about 2 feet away from your main hole. And again, this second hole can be very small. Now I found it's pretty convenient to just use this spade, and I'm digging out basically an exact square. Once this is dug down about the same depth as your main hole, I'm going to scoop it out, and then the next part will begin. Now I'm just cleaning the hole up, and I'm going to scoop out the extra material to make sure that it's the same depth as the main hole.
Can you hop in this hole? Your little feet and press that down?
Okay.
There you go. Good. Step that right down so it's nice and firm. Okay? Good.
Can I get out now?
Yeah.
Now that we've got our 2 holes dug and cleaned up, all we need to do is create a tunnel between them. Don't dig that tunnel too close to the surface because you might have the ground collapse. So put it down the bottom, and using a hand shovel makes this really easy. You want to end up with a hole that's about 4 to 6 inches in diameter.
I need a flashlight. Go! Go in!
I think you got a ways to go.
It's pretty far down there.
I think you got a little ways to go.
I know, but I'm trying my best.
So just keep pulling the dirt out. Pull the dirt out and keep pressing that shovel in. Almost like a spear. Do you want me to take over?
What?
Do you want me to take over?
No.
Put your hand on this part of your arm to mark it. Watch. All right, now take your arm out. Watch. Now put it, no, watch. Keep it straight. Pull it out. Watch. Pull your arm out with the shovel, like this. Now put it, lay it on top, and you'll be able to see how far you are. Watch. Just stick it straight in here. So see? Well, I think you're, I don't think you're going. Watch, you're almost through. Watch. I'm telling you. All right, now go do it. That should be enough. Oh, there you go.
You see it?
Yep. Push the shovel. I don't believe it.
Oh my God.
All right, push the shovel.
Go through.
You did it.
All that's left is some final cleanup work. I'm smoothing out the holes and making sure the tunnel's clear.
So what do you think? Let's take a look at the finished product. So what is this right here? What's this hole for?
It's for the air.
Yep. And what's this hole for?
The fire.
Yep. It's perfect.
And it's my size.
You did a great job.
I'm gonna go find some sticks, Daddy.
You did a great job.
Can I go over it like... What if it doesn't work?
Well, we'll find out.
Hold up.
Get some more?
Yeah.
Okay. That way it's real weak in the middle and you just go. See?
Can I try?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna, you go right where I am. Sit down so you get, no, so just sit down so you get some, and don't swing it back too far. And just hit it right in the middle. There you go. Perfect. Here, I'll give you another one. Just always watch where you put that up. And do that one now. Perfect. Alright. Now I could use a blowtorch to do it, but I want to just try to see if we can do it without the torch. Yeah. If you don't rip them apart, you just leave it all kind of fanned out. It's good. Okay, yep. So now I'm going to sprinkle it up a little bit. I'm going to try to put it right here. See? It's already catching a little. So you don't want to rush it too much because it needs time. There we go.
Should I blow on it or no?
Not yet. Let's just let it catch because it takes a little bit. There we go.
Can you like do this and then like put your food in there?
Some people cook on a fire. Yeah, sure. Just have to have the right kind of food.
What about grilled cheese?
I don't know about a grilled cheese. That might be kind of tough. We have to give this a second. It might start to burn out a little bit.
It's good. I want to have dinner out here with the fire. No, it's cold.
I got a different idea. All right, let's see if we can give it a little boost.
What are you going to do?
Get out of that chair and go stand over there.
Where?
Just stand far away.
This good?
Yeah. There we go. Not yet. Let it burn up a little bit. Give it a little boost. Give it a little time to catch. So now it's burning on its own.
So just jump down.
There we go. What do you think now? Considering this is pretty wet wood, that's burning pretty well. Yeah, there you go. Pretty good, huh? You helped dig the hole. Look at our little project's going.
Yeah. A nice fire going.
It is, and I can feel the heat too.
I'm right here.
Yeah?
And
It's
the
keeping
fire's
you.
right over there. Now
Yeah.
it's super warm.
You did a great job.
Yeah.
I'm blown away about how well this worked.
Can somebody go yell to Mommy to get some dinner over here? Mommy, give us some dinner! I give it 1,000 thumbs up. Thanks for watching our video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!
Bye.
What I loved about this project was it was free, easy, and it really works. I've tried so many times to light a campfire that just really burns out and it never gets this kind of output. That air chamber really makes a big difference. And this is flexible. If you want to make this bigger, if you want to line it with stone, if you want to put capstones on it, you can do all of that. But I like the idea that I can use this when I want, and when I'm done with it, I can just fill the hole in later. So I hope this project gave you some ideas, and at the very least gives you an opportunity to have some fun with your kids outdoors. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.